What's something people don't know about solar energy? A lot, actually. Let's debunk some myths. Welcome to Solaris all. We're here with power.com to bust some solar energy myths. Ready? Let's go. Myth 1. Solar energy is too expensive. Wrong. Solar is more affordable than ever. With financing options and state and federal tax incentives, you can get solar panels installed for zero down. Myth 2. Solar panels are ugly. Well, nope. Modern solar panels are sleek and can actually increase your home's value. Tesla, anyone? Myth 3. No more utility bills with solar panels. Not true. Solar reduces your bill but doesn't eliminate it. Add a battery and you can save power for outages. Myth 4. Everyone can install solar panels. Not quite. Factors like roof material, shading, and your utility bill play a role. We'll help you figure it out. Myth 5. Solar panels don't last long and are hard to maintain. False. They last 20-25 plus years and are easy to maintain. Just hose them down. Ready to go solar? Contact us at solaris29@gmail.com.